How to use AutoDs with Etsy. AutoDs plus Etsy dropshipping tutorial. So hello guys and welcome back to today's video. In today's video, let's show you how you will be able to utilize Etsy together with our AutoDs over here, a very good and a very simple dropshipping platform called AutoDs, and use Etsy as a source of product, of course, to set up our dropshipping business model. In our example for today's video, I will be utilizing Shopify over here as our platform that we will be importing our different products to. I'm using Shopify because it's the easiest one to connect to AutoDS and the easiest one to demonstrate the features. Now, first things first, let's discuss about AutoDS. In AutoDS, they already have a pre-existing marketplace over here where you can actually check out different items available. Now, the marketplace contains products from all kinds of sources. So, one of these products that I'm looking at over here is actually, or could be, from Etsy. But it's a lot of different product sources just put into one page over here. And it has other features as well, such as handpicked products, ad spy, trending products, which could allow you to make sure or to ensure that you will be able to have the currently trending products that could give you a lot of advantage when selling items with a dropshipping business model, as you can see here. So with this page, you can see the products that are currently trending. It also have print on demand over here. Now, how do we utilize Etsy together with AutoDS? Now, utilizing these two platforms is actually more simple than you thought. You might have been confused when I said earlier at the start where there are Etsy products to be found in Marketplace. Now, we're not going to look for it one by one and just settle with that. We will be utilizing the feature add products over here on the left side, as you can see. So we have 5 features over here, and we only need at least or 2 of these features. So we have the import product or the multiple products. Let's explore the add product over here. That product basically just requires you to enter the URL of a product or the product ID that you want to import. It doesn't matter what platform or rather what type of product it is, it will be able to recognize it. And to confirm that it will support our Etsy, you can see here under our list of options of supply source, we have Etsy over here, meaning it is able to recognize Etsy links. There are some platforms that it cannot really check out, like Temu, but with those type of products or platform, it's not supported yet. But with Etsy, it already figured out how to scrape the information. So let's do an example. So for example, we have this anniversary gift over here, watch. Simply copy the URL and paste it over here. You could either publish it to store or edit now. We could try edit now over here, which will convert it automatically, as you can see. It will convert it for us to be able to modify the information right away. But it also depends on your internet speed and what platform you're connected to. Right now, I already figured out that this is going to take a while because it's not starting yet. Sometimes it depends on the platform it's connected to or it's getting an information from. It might take a while for them to be able to access this page over here and scrape all the information because of course each e-commerce platform has a different code or like a different structure, and it could be difficult for AutoDS over here sometimes, but it will work regardless. But anyway, that's an option where you can easily edit now. But you can also click on publish to store. We can click here to track the progress, and as you can see, it's importing our product there, just like that. So you're just going to have to wait. It's not a very easy process. You have to imagine how hard it would be able to just simply get or take those products. But this one is having an issue with this. So let's try a different product then. The important thing is it was able to recognize the product, that it was the process started with the importation. So let's try a different one then. So let's try this one. And let's add products as well. Single product. we go, and let's just keep adding and adding and just wait for it to appear so that later on at the end of the video we could check it out over here at Shopify. So aside from that add single product, we also have the feature add multiple products over here. Now, of course, if you're trying to sell a dropshipping business, you're not, or the process of adding one product at a time is a very hassle and a very slow process. So we have a feature multiple products over here, wherein you can just simply enter all the URL links. Let me try again. Enter all the URL links that you want to import to save you a great deal of time. So let's say I could import 3 products at a time over here. It could be as many as you want, but I'm just going to have 3 products as an example over here. So you have to separate them by entering or clicking on the enter button and simply clicking on add as draft, which will do the same process. Now we could simply click here to track progress, and you can see everything is in progress over here. Although everything's a bit slow, so we're going to have to wait for that to actually show up on our Shopify over here. So after or when it's good, or after the progress or the importation is done, it should appear under your products of your selected store or whatever store you are actually connected to, and it will appear over here. Now it would take a while. I guess it's my internet speed or something that's interfering with it, but it's a bit slow. But you can see the details over here. You can see that it is showing us details such as what date it is created, the source item ID, the store that we will be importing to, which is of course the store Shopify, and the status is in progress. The same thing as well over here. So it might take a while. So there's a lot of other things that you can check out. Like I said, you have your marketplace. You could try the stuff as well over here. Let's actually try something from here because it's faster if it's directly in AutoDs. There we go. As you can see, it's already finished. But I'm just showing this as an example on what a finished option or a finished draft over here of Etsy would look like. So we have this. So this is a fail, so you could try it again, like internal error, as you can see. You could try that again. But anyway, we have this a successful import over here. Click on import. This is what it should look like for you guys. And after that's imported, refreshing our Shopify over here. Give it a second. This is what it would look like. Still not there. There we go. It just finished. So we have that. So if we refresh this, we would now have the product that we have imported in AutoDs, as you can see. So this is what it would look like when you successfully imported an Etsy product. So that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.